In this video, I will show you how you can turn off VoiceOver on your iPad 11 A16. Now, if you have enabled VoiceOver by mistake on your iPad and if you want to turn it off, there are two methods to do so. Now let's start with the easiest method. Now, if you have enabled Hey Siri on your iPad, you can ask Siri to turn off VoiceOver. Hey Siri, turn off VoiceOver.
Okay, voiceover is now on.
And after you do that, you will turn off VoiceOver on your iPad. Now, if Hey Siri is not enabled on your iPad and if you want to turn off VoiceOver, then just press and hold the side button on your iPad and you will enable Siri. Now just ask Siri to turn off VoiceOver. Turn off VoiceOver. Just like that. Now let's say if the power button of your iPad is not set up to enable Siri, and if you have not enabled Siri on your iPad, so in that case to turn off VoiceOver, just simply go to the home screen and open Settings. If the Settings app is not available on the main home screen page, then just swipe to the left side or to the right side using 3 fingers on the home screen. And by doing that, you'll switch between the pages on your iPad. Now after you do that, now to open the Settings app, just tap on the Settings to select it, then double tap to open the app. Now after you arrive into the settings, just swipe up using 3 fingers on the screen. Now after you find the option for accessibility, now just tap on it to select it, then double tap to enter. Under the accessibility settings, just tap on VoiceOver to select it, then double tap to enter. Now just tap on the VoiceOver switch to select it, then double tap to disable it. And after you do that, you will turn off VoiceOver on your iPad. And this is how you can turn off VoiceOver on your iPad 11 A16. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.